a rainbow. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Betty. She wore a colorful dress. Her shoes sparkled with glitter. In her hand, she held a kite. The kite was bright and beautiful. Betty looked up at the sky and saw a rainbow.
Wow! A rainbow!
She said. She ran to the park. There, she met a friendly dog named Max. Max had a ball.
Let's play,
Betty said. They played fetch. Betty threw the ball high into the air. Max jumped and caught it. It was so much fun. Then, they saw a butterfly. The butterfly was blue. Betty and Max followed it to a garden. In the garden, they found colorful flowers. There were red roses, purple violets, and yellow daffodils. Betty smiled. The sun was setting, and the sky turned orange and pink. Betty said,
Look, Max. The sky is like a painting.
As they walked back home, Betty couldn't stop smiling. She thought about the rainbow, the butterfly, and the beautiful flowers. She knew that these little wonders made her very happy. And so, Betty and Max had a wonderful day, filled with the colors of happiness.